It's being a snake pride month, right? Right? That's what we're being proud of. Being kind of serpentine in form. Being tentacle adjacent. When they ask you where you get your weather, you tell them you get it from a conscious spiky say-so tentacle. Moderate to heavy rain will be moving across the southwest and the Four Corners today with flash flooding possible. That's under my snake body. Above my snake body, you've got heavy rain, severe weather, and flooding developing over the northern central plains and shifting to the south central plains toward the upper Midwest on Tuesday. The peanuts are seeing tropical moisture expected to become more focused across South Florida, and then it's going to spread northward throughout the next couple days. Starting out with the West Coast, we've got 60s and 70s up in Washington, Oregon, 68, 94, 72 for California. Mountain states seeing a range from 60s up in Montana down to 60s in the Arizona mountains, 86 down by the border. In Nevada, 80s, 95 in some spots. Utah in the 80s, high 70s. Colorado in the low 70s to high 80s. 67 in Wyoming. Plains are much in the 80s and some in the 90s as we get down into Texas. Upper Dakota is 65. We're calling it Upper Dakota today. Lake states are in the 80s, 85, 81. Most of the Midwest in the 80s, really. East Coast, you've got 50s and 60s up in Maine, but the whole rest of you are seeing 70s all the way to 89 at the tip of the peanuts, 91 up at the top of Florida, down by the bottom of Georgia. Let's see what McMurdo is doing, our problem child. McMurdo Station sitting at 0 degrees with 0 wind, and it is cloudy. That's insulating them to a real feel of positive 8 degrees. Alaska seeing moderate to heavy rain impacting portions of the southern coast and the panhandle into the end of next week. Alaska temperatures cooled off just a little bit up by the Arctic Circle, high 20s to 30 degrees up there. The rest of the state seeing 50s, 64 over by the Canadian border, 47, 48 on the Aleutians is pretty warm actually. Anchorage 51, 52, and the panhandle 48. Hawaii getting moderate to locally breezy east-southeast trades persisting through tomorrow as a broad surface trough develops to the west of the state. It may get enhanced showers during this time. As you can see, they're kind of pulling across the state. Let's look at your temperatures. High 70s to mid 80s as per usual for Hawaii. This has been Ayla Mooney, your weather snake. I'm totally holding the worm captive. You can't have him yet, mostly because I just forgot you wanted him. Worm, glowworm, where are you?